Hi everyone, welcome back to P-Tek Lab. This is my second video and I've got something really useful for you today. I'll be showing you 13 awesome 3D printed upgrades for the Bambu Lab A1. Mods that can make it more efficient, organized and even help you save some space on your setup. I'll also break down the total filament cost for all the upgrades at the end, so stick around for that. Links to all the upgrades are in the description down below, so be sure to check them out. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, let's start with the first upgrade, the poop bucket. There are a lot of different poop buckets designs out there, but I picked this one because it's small, compact and attached directly to the printer. That means it doesn't take up extra space on my setup. If you are using an AMS and printing with multiple colors, you will notice it purges a lot more filament when switching. This small bucket works great, but if you are regularly printing in more than one color, a bigger one might be a bad choice for you. Either way, having a poop bucket is a must-have to keep your setup clean. Next up, we have a simple but important upgrade, a cable elastic conduit. There is a lot of movement happening while the printer is running, and over the time that can put the pressure on the cables, especially on the bottom section. Where there is no guarantee they will get damaged, it's always better to prevent. This flexible conduit helps protect the cable from wear and tear and reducing the risk of damage. It's an easy print and great way to add some extra protection to our printers. Next upgrades are the scrapers. I've printed both types of scrapers. The first one is fully plastic, which is great for light use. It's perfect for gently removing prints without scratching or damaging the build plate, especially when using a PEA plates. It's recommended to use plastic scrapers. The second one is a Bambu Lab scraper. When you purchase a Bambu Lab printer, it comes with the metal blade and screws, which you can use to build your own scraper. Simply 3D print the handle and you've got a durable tool that will serve you well and probably become your best mate in 3D printing world. Next on our list, we have a simple but useful upgrade, a fan cover for both the A1 and A1 mini printers. The stock fan is exposed, so anything can get in there which can cause damage, and this is something that none of us wants. This 3D printed cover helps keep everything protected while still allowing proper airflow. It's super easy to install and a quick upgrade that just makes sense. Next up, we have a screen protector, a simple but effective way to keep our printer screens safe. Touch screens can get scratched, dusty or smudged over time, especially if you are frequently using the printer. Adding a screen protector helps prevent damage and keeps the display looking clean. It's easy to install and provides full protection with a cover that you can open and close whenever needed. A small upgrade that makes a big difference. It also looks cool. Next upgrade, it's the A1 Ultimate Clean Toolkit box, a simple way to keep our printers running smoothly. It helps apply lubricant to the X, Y and Z axis, reducing the friction and keeping movements precise. Plus, it attaches to the side of the printer, so it's always within the reach when you need it. Regular maintenance means better performance and longer lasting parts. A small effort for a big impact. Next, we have the A1 and A1 Mini Toolbox, a great way to keep all your printer tools and parts organized. This box is designed to fit the plastic tray that comes with a printer, with some of the tools and spare parts. The tray slides perfectly into the box, keeping everything well organized and easy accessible. Next, we have the stand for Bambu Swatches and the Swatch display board. This is a great upgrade for anyone wanting to easily check out the different filament colors Bambu Lab offers. The Swatch display board keeps everything organized and the stands hold the swatches upright. It's a perfect way to see how the filaments look before you buy, and they look really cool on the desk. Next on our list, we have the A1 side drag chain. This is my favorite upgrade. The cable used to hang off the side of the printer, taking up unnecessary space and making everything look messy. With the A1 side drag chain, everything is now neatly organized. The side cable is secured in place, saving space and giving the printer a much cleaner look. Finally, the main upgrade, AMS Lite top mount for A1. This upgrade allows you to mount the AMS unit securely on the top of the printer, freeing up the desk space and making yourself more compact. It keeps everything in place, so you don't have to worry about the AMS sitting on the side and taking up extra space. Also, Bambu Lab now includes the necessary screws when you purchase the printer with the AMS, so you won't have to worry about buying them separately. Next upgrade is the Y splitter. This upgrade allows you to connect two PTF tubes to a single port on the print head, making it possible to use both the AMS and external spool. It's a great solution if you want to print with filaments that aren't AMS compatible without constantly swapping the tubes. Next upgrade is the Bambu A1 spool holder desk stand. Since I have the AMS mounted on the top of my printer, I have printed the desk stand for a spool holder. This way I can use an external spool for filament that aren't AMS compatible. With the addition of the Y splitter, I can easily switch between AMS and the external spool without hassle. And finally the last, it's a filament clip. This small but handy upgrade helps keep your filament neatly in place. It prevents the filament from unwinding and tangling, making it easy to load and unload the spool without any mess. A quick fix to keep your workplace organized. So that's it for today. We've gone through 13 upgrades for the Bambu Lab A1. Those simple changes can really make a difference in improving your printing experience and saving space. But before we wrap up completely, let's take a look at the full filament cost breakdown of all those upgrades. Here is how much each one costs and the total investment if you were to get them all. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY and tech tips. Thanks for watching.